Jason Kingsley asked if I found a Bird Dog Gingerbread whiskey to mix with the Mountain Dew Fruit Quake yet. And I most certainly did. I finally got my hands on it, so we're going to try it first and then mix it with the Mountain Dew Fruit Quake. So first, to try this out. Okay, that was a struggle to get open. Ooh, that smells really good. Smells dead on like gingerbread. That's amazing. So we're going to use our moose mug. Get some of the Bird Dog gingerbread in there. Top that with the Mountain Dew Fruit Quake. Give that a quick spin. Cheers. Well, goddamn. That's another winner. I think even if you're not a fan of this soda, which I just happen to like it, you might like this. This is good. You can't, it just works together. Definitely check that one out. I'm going to go with a 9.5 out of 10. Cheers.